Buenos dias, warriors. Think tall like a palm tree. In this video, it's a quick little exercise you can do to stretch first thing in the morning. It'll help to lengthen you out, help your posture, and it's all levels. So to begin, find the front of your mat, let your feet separate, and just start to ground. All right, maybe take a couple shoulder rolls, awaken up your body. Inhale, reach the arms up overhead, and then exhale, side bend over towards the right. Take a deep breath into your left lungs. And then switch on sides, over to the left. Keep breathing, back to center, inhale. Little back bend. And exhale, forward folding. Probably take a bend in your knees here. Inhale, find a long spine. And you'll step your left foot back to a low lunge. Inhale, arms reach up overhead. Again, this is a back bend. Side bend over to the right, that feels good. You know, for me it does after a night's sleep. Inhale, back to center. Lower the hands down, start to straighten out your right leg. Doesn't have to straighten all the way. And breathe. We bend the right knee, step back, downward facing dog. A moment here, because this feels really good first thing in the morning. Stretching out the spine, lengthening the legs. Inhale, roll your way forward, come into a plank pose. Next, I'll press back, downward facing dog. Step the left foot forward now, low lunging, right knee down. Inhale, arms up overhead. And keeping it simple, you can take that side bend again, up and over to the left. Lengthening your body, getting longer for the day ahead. Hands lower down. And we're gonna go ahead and straighten out the left leg as far as it'll go. It's okay if it doesn't straighten all the way. When you're ready, step the right foot up to meet the left. Inhale, long spine, then fold your way on forward. And here, interlace the hands behind your back and stretch out the shoulders. Relax your neck here. Inhale, reach the arms up overhead. Coming back to standing. Once again, side bend to the right. And then side bending to the left. Back to center, inhale. And exhale, hands down by your side. Inhale, reach it on up. And exhale, forward fold. Step the left foot back. Now we're in a high lunge, so left knee stays lifted. Inhale, arms up overhead. You can keep the hands as is, or maybe take the palms together and press them to the back of the neck. So all these back bends and lengthening, right? They help to get us a little bit taller. Hands lower down to the mat. Step back, downward facing dog. Breathing. Come into a high plank, and then lower halfway or all the way down. This time taking a back bend, inhaling, up dog. Take an extra breath. We're looking side to side. And press down through the palms, lift up and back, downward facing dog. And with the right leg high, take a three-legged dog. So as you bend the right knee, and you're stacking right hip over left. Shoulders are even here, deep breath. Step your right foot forward, warrior one. Inhale, arms extend up overhead. Back heels rooted. Deep breath in. And exhale. Inhale. As you fly forward, come into bird pose. Rooting down through the right foot, extend the left leg back behind you. Chest stays lifted, shoulders are lifted. And lower your left foot down to meet the right. Back up at the front again. Inhale, arms up overhead. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lengthening. Now step your right foot back, come into a high lunge. Arms extending high. That option to side bend to the left. Deep breath in. Then either keep your hands there or take the palms together and press the hands to the back of the neck. You step out on back and downward facing dog. Lower the left foot. Inhale, plank position. And exhale, low push-up. Finding your upward dog. And this time, lift up and back, downward facing dog. So find that three-legged dog on the left side as the left leg lifts. Inhale. Bending the left knee now, stacking left hip over right. And then you make your way into a warrior one, stepping the left foot forward. Right heel grounds, arms reach up overhead. Fly forward, bird pose, rooting through the left foot. Right leg extends strong behind you, chest staying lifted. Keep a steady gaze here. It'll help with your balance. And this time, step the right foot back. Come to the long edge of your mat. Adjust your feet as you need to. Toes slightly in, and then start to forward fold. Inhale, find a long spine. Root the left foot and reach the right arm up overhead. You're twisting. Keeping the hips level. Important, wringing out the spine, and then switch sides. Breathe. Inhale, come back to center. And exhale, fold. You can either stay with your hands grounded to the mat or interlace the hands behind you, let them come up overhead. So releasing each exhale, any stuck energy in your spine, let it go, let it go, let it go. Inhale, lengthen back out, release the hands, and then we'll step the right foot up to meet the left. Inhale, rise all the way up. How's that back feel? All right, and then we're going to shift the weight over towards your right foot, draw the left knee up into your chest. And you can either hang with the knee or grab the outer edge of your left foot. Lose your balance, just come on back into it. Maybe the left leg extends. And it'll be your left arm behind you. Keep a long spine. And as we switch sides, draw the right knee into your chest. Twist open to the right side, or the option of extending the right leg out. Here's the length, here's the leaning. Strong core, long breath. Coming back to center. And lower your feet down to the mat. Standing back bend, hands to the low back. So you can see how I'm doing. Lift the chest up. Deep breath up the front body. And then let the feet come wide, distance of the mat. Come on down into a little squat. And shifting side to side here, open up the inner hips. And then root your right hand down, extend your left arm to the sky. Taking a squat twist. Switch on sides. Reach the right arm up, open up the whole right side of the body. Lower your right hand down. We have options. If you're a crow poser, you can do it here, or you can step back, or you can jump back like I did. Upward facing dog on the inhale. And when you're ready, take it back all the way to the floor. Root the fingertips down, inhale and lift the chest up. Drop your left shoulder, peek over to the right side. Come on back to center. Switch sides over to the left. Right here, opening up the chest muscles. Back to center on the inhale. And lower all the way down on the exhale. Press the palms. Really come on back. Transitioning through a child's pose for a little bit of core. Right, so your hips are over your knees. Root down through the palms and hover your knees about an inch or two away from the mat. So as we strengthen our core, it also to help keep our posture and spine strong and healthy. Keep breathing, hold the core. And we'll come on to the feet. You can lower the knees, however you want to get there. Make your way into a chair pose, bending the knees, arms extend up overhead. Twist out the spine, hook your left elbow over your right knee, twist to the right. And then switch sides. Hook your right elbow over your left knee, twist to the left. And as you make your way back to center, inhale. Exhale, one more forward fold. Any forward fold of your choice. Take a deep breath into your upper back. In your own time, come all the way up to standing. Roll the shoulders down away from the ears once more. And you are ready for your day ahead. Set that mantra, you're ready to go. Hope you're feeling energized, lengthened, lean, maybe a little bit taller. And big thank you to the Conrad Tulum for this beautiful space to practice. The new hotel that just opened in Tulum. More videos to come there.